So, next episode. You've clicked on the thumbnail, so you obviously want to see some rusty flanges. Well, there you go. That's one of them. And that's the other one. So this will be the first bit of body fabrication that I've ever done, in fact. I need to bring these back to some sort of suitable condition. Start welding this thing back together. You can see it's a little bit thin where I've grinded the spot welds out. So sit back and enjoy lots of grinding, welding, and generally gnashing your teeth trying to work this out. I've got both an inner and outer skin to fabricate. As you can see from this bit, the outer skin of where it meets the sill is only spot welded on a few places. I'm going to replace this with an entire sheet of metal and spot weld it back to the sill. So yeah, first got to get this outer skin out the way so I can attack the actual sill flange. As far as I'm aware, all fabrication starts with some sort of template, so that's what I'm putting together here. Cut to the template, see how it fits. And then we basically start massaging to shape. And on to welding. So yeah, wish me luck. See how this goes. Sheet metal is actually cut to oversize, so I can then slit it down to the exact size that I need. The welds aren't the prettiest, but that's what the grinder's for. Take it back to looking something like it should. And then protect any bits that I'm not going to be able to get to again with some weld through primer. Add onto the template for the outer skin. Same procedure as last time. if the original outer skin was spot welded on, it's good enough for me, so I shall plug weld mine. Maybe not the tidiest, but it's certainly got a lot more welding than the few spot welds that it used to have, so I think that's strong enough. That'll do me. So I'll just grind it back, make it look reasonably pretty. Give it some more weld through primer. Job done. One side finished. Right, on to the next side. Same procedure. So there we go, first fabrication done. I think it'll pass, just about. I think it's certainly strong enough. Once it's actually joined together and strengthened, it will be going on a rotisserie, so I'll be able to revisit all the sills and flanges at a later date anyway, so it's not necessarily done. I think that'll do for now. Cheers.